Welcome to Business with Louis, the show where we break down complex business concepts into actionable insights and inspiring stories. Today, we're going to explore one of the most exciting and intimidating topics in the world of finance. IPO process explained? So, what is an IPO? In straightforward terms, an initial public offering is when a private company decides to become publicly traded by issuing stocks to the public for the first time. This process allows companies to raise capital from a large number of investors, which can be used to fuel growth, expand operations, or pay off debts. But why is this concept so important? Well, an IPO can be a game changer for companies looking to scale up and achieve their full potential. It provides access to a vast pool of capital, increased visibility, and credibility in the market. Additionally, it allows early investors, such as venture capitalists or angel investors, to cash out their investments and realize a return on their money. The process typically involves several key players, including investment banks, underwriters, and regulatory bodies like the Securities and Exchange Commission, (SEC). Companies must also prepare extensive documentation, such as prospectuses and financial statements, to disclose their financial health and business operations to potential investors. One influential thinker in the world of IPOs is Benjamin Graham, known as the father of value investing. Graham's principles of fundamental analysis and risk management are still widely applied today when evaluating companies' prospects for an IPO. Another key concept is the idea of going public, which involves a significant shift in a company's culture, governance, and financial report. Over time, our understanding and use of IPOs have evolved significantly. With advancements in technology and changes in market conditions, new types of IPOs have emerged, such as direct listings and special-purpose acquisition companies. These alternative routes to going public offer more flexibility and control for companies, but also come with their own set of challenges and risks. Companies like Facebook, Airbnb, and Uber have all gone through highly successful IPOs, raising billions of dollars in capital and achieving significant growth. On the other hand, companies like WeWork and Uber have faced challenges and controversies during their born-away IPO processes, highlighting the importance of careful planning, transparency, and effective communication with investors. For instance, Facebook's IPO in 2012 was one of the largest in history, raising $16 billion and valuing the company at over $100 billion. However, the company faced significant scrutiny and criticism over its handling of user data and advertising practices, which ultimately led to a decline in stock price. In contrast, Airbnb's IPO in 2020 was a huge success, with the company raising $3.5 billion and achieving a valuation of over $50 billion. So what practical advice can we offer to aspiring entrepreneurs or business students who are looking to navigate the IPO process? First, it's essential to build a strong foundation by focusing on your company's core competencies, innovation, and customer value proposition. Second, surround yourself with experienced advisors who can guide you through the complex regulatory and financial landscape. Third, be prepared to communicate your vision and strategy effectively to potential investors, highlighting your unique selling points and competitive advantages. Additionally, it's crucial to understand the different types of IPO and their implications. For example, a direct listing can provide more flexibility and control for companies, but it may also limit their ability to raise capital. A SPAC, on the other hand, can offer a faster and more efficient route to going public, but it requires careful consideration of the merger process and potential risks. Research findings have also shown that IPOs can have a significant impact on a company's growth and innovation. A study by the National Bureau of Economic Research found that companies that go public through an IPO tend to experience significant growth in their revenues and employment rates. Another study by the Harvard Business Review found that IPO can provide a catalyst for innovation, as companies are forced to be more transparent and accountable to their shareholders. In conclusion, understanding the IPO process is crucial for anyone looking to raise capital, grow their business, or simply navigate the world of finance with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, the insights from today's show can help you make more informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. By focusing on your core competencies, surrounding yourself with experienced advisors, and communicating effectively with investors, you can navigate the complex world of IPO and achieve your business goals. That's it for today's Business with Louis. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every great business starts with action. Make your next move count.